In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio on Canva, a comprehensive beginner's guide for 2025. Whether you're crafting a podcast teaser video, creating an engaging presentation, or simply adding some background music to elevate your design, Canva makes it incredibly easy to upload and incorporate audio files. Let's dive in and simplify the process step by step, so you can spend more time being creative and less time figuring out the technology. To get started, you're going to want to log into your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, you'll find yourself greeted by a clean and intuitive layout, perfect for both beginners and seasoned designers. Now, your first action should be to locate the upload button. You'll typically find this on the left panel of your design interface. Click on it to embark on your audio uploading journey. After clicking the upload button, a menu will expand, offering you several options. Within this menu, you'll want to click on Upload Files. This selection will prompt a File Explorer window to pop open. This is your gateway to bringing your creative audio into Canva's vibrant world. Next, browse through your computer files to locate the specific audio file you're eager to upload. You can look for files like MP3s or WAVs, as Canva supports these popular formats. Once you've spotted your file, select it and click Open or Choose depending on your system. This action kicks off the upload process, and you'll notice your file gradually appearing in Canva's media library as it uploads. While your audio is uploading, here's a tip. Double check the audio quality before uploading to ensure it's clear and sounds professional. Poor audio quality can detract from the overall impact of your design, so it's beneficial to start with a good recording. Once your file is successfully uploaded, you'll see it among your available media in Canva. Now you can drag and drop this audio directly into your designs, presentations, or videos. To do this, simply click on your audio file and drag it onto your canvas, where you can start positioning and timing your audio to match your visuals. You can also adjust the volume and even trim the audio within Canva, giving you more control over the final output. And there you have it. Uploading audio to Canva is as straightforward as it sounds. In just a few clicks, you can bring life to your designs with your audio creations. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is to practice, so don't hesitate to experiment with various audio files and Canva's features. Over time, you'll find the right balance and style that perfectly fits your needs. Happy designing and enjoy the creative journey ahead.